Once upon a time in a faraway land, there lived a beautiful white horse. Her coat was as white as snow, and she had a flowing mane and tail that seemed to shimmer in the sunlight. The horse lived in a stable with a kind old farmer and his family, and they loved her very much. But the horse was restless. She longed for adventure, for something more than her simple life on the farm. One day, as the horse was grazing in a field, she saw a group of children playing nearby. They were laughing and having fun, and the horse wished that she could join them. Suddenly, an idea struck her. She would enter the annual Kingdom Games and win first prize. Then everyone would see how beautiful and graceful she was. The horse was so excited at the thought of the shiny ribbon and the applause that she started practicing for the games right away. She galloped and she cantered. She jumped over fences and she pulled the farmer's cart. She practiced until her hooves were sore and her sides were aching.
Wow.
On the day of the games, the horse was led into the arena to the sound of trumpets and drums. She raised her head high and her tail like a banner in the breeze, as the crowd gasped at her beauty. The other horses in the competition were nervous, but the white horse was confident. She knew that she was the best and she couldn't wait to show everyone. As the games began, the white horse put on a spectacular show. She leaped over hurdles with ease, pulled the heavy sled with effortless strength, and even managed to stand on her hind legs and take a bow. The crowd went wild with each trick, showering her with flowers in their applause. The white horse basked in the attention, feeling like a true star. But then it happened. Just as she was about to receive her prize, one of the judges, who was also the king's son, approached her and whispered something into her ear. The horse looked at him, puzzled. He repeated himself, but the horse still didn't understand. What was he saying with some kind of magic spell? And suddenly the horse felt a sharp pain in her leg. She cried out as she fell to the ground, unable to move. The people watching were horrified. They'd never seen anything like this before. The king's son, now revealed to be a sorcerer, approached the fallen horse with a sinister grin. With a flick of his wrist, he transformed her into a creature even more terrifying. A horse with the body of a lion and the head of a wolf. The crowd screamed and scattered, but the horse, or what was left of her, could not move. She was trapped in this horrible form, and the sorcerer was about to make her even more hideous. He reached into his bag and pulled out a crown. It was made of thorns and twisted branches. And the horse knew that if he placed it on her head, she would become something ugly and evil. She struggled against the sorcerer, but her efforts only made him laugh. He enjoyed seeing her fear. Just when the horse thought all hope was lost, a small voice rang out. "Stop." Everyone turned to see a little girl standing in front of the horse. "You may have won this battle, sorcerer," the girl said bravely, "but I won't let you hurt this horse any more than you already have." The girl walked slowly towards the horse, reaching out a hand to stroke her. As she did, a magical transformation began. The horse's body started to glow, and when the light faded, she was back to her beautiful white self again. The girl had saved her. The crowd cheered, and the horse, overjoyed, nuzzled the little girl's hand. She had learned that true beauty wasn't about ribbons or trophies, but about being kind and staying true to yourself. And she knew that no matter what challenges she faced in the future, she could overcome them with courage and the help of a good friend.